Hello my dear ones, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good at your home, and I hope you all are studying also. Yes children, you all have to study and practice your cursive writing because you all have come in big class now, LKG. Okay, so you all have to study properly and learn the cursive writing. Okay, but children, we have finished now cursive small writing, and now from today we will learn some letters of cursive capital. We finished cursive small writing, now we will start cursive capital letters. And in our today's topic, what we are going to learn, you all can see here. We are going to learn to write cursive capital C and D. Okay, cursive capital C and D. So let's see, we'll learn cursive capital C and cursive capital D. C for car. Here you can see this is cursive capital C. Cursive capital C. You all have learned to write cursive small c, and today we will learn how to write cursive capital C. C for carrot, C for cat, and C for cap. So first what we are going to do? We are going to practice to write in plain page. Okay, we are going to trace and learn to write capital C first. Okay, so children, look carefully and you have to practice and write how Miss is writing. Okay, write slowly and carefully. Okay, look carefully how Miss is writing. C, cursive capital C. Starting from here, go up, make a loop, come down, turn inside. Cursive capital C. Children, you all have already learnt cursive small c, and this is cursive small c. You all have learnt it, and today we are going to learn cursive capital C. Okay, so you see carefully, starting from here, go up in slanting line, make a loop, come down, curve, and then slide, turn inside. Cursive capital C. Again I am writing, see carefully children, go up, make a loop, come down, curve, inside, turn. Cursive capital C. Again see children, you have to write like this. Go up, make a loop, come down, down, curve, and turn inside. Cursive capital C. You all have to start from here and go up, make a loop, come down, curve, and inside, turn. Cursive capital C. And see children, you don't have to lift your pencil and write like this. This is the wrong method. Without lifting your pencil, without lifting your hand, you have to write cursive capital C like this. Okay, cursive capital C. Go up, make a loop, come down, curve, inside, turn. Cursive capital C. Now we'll practice to write in 4-line book. Okay, in your 4-line book you have to write how Miss is writing. So look carefully children. Cursive capital C. Starting from first blue line here, you have to go up to the red line, come down to the blue line, inside curve, cursive capital C. Okay, between these lines only you have to write. Your writing should not go out of the lines. Touch the red line up, make a loop, come down. Touch the blue line up, turn inside, cursive capital C. Again we'll write. Starting from blue line, go up to the red line, make a loop, come down to the blue line, up blue line, turn inside, cursive capital C. Up red line, loop, come down to blue line, curve, cursive capital C. And see children, your C should not be like this. This is the wrong method. Without lifting your hand and pencil, you have to write, and it should not go out of the red line also. This is also the wrong method. You have to follow this method only. Okay. Again, starting from blue line here, go up red line, come down to blue line, turn inside. You all can see how Miss is moving hand. Up red line, down blue line, up blue line, turn, cursive capital C. Now after C, we will write cursive capital D. D for dolphin, D for doll, and D for dog. Here you can see children, this is cursive capital D and this is cursive small d. Okay, so we'll move ahead. We'll practice now to write cursive capital D. Okay, you look carefully how Miss is writing, how Miss is moving hand. Standing line, out make a loop, turn and go up, and D, cursive capital D. Again we'll write standing line, loop outside, go up, inside curve D, cursive capital D. Again standing line, outside loop, go up, curve inside, cursive capital D. And children, you all don't have to lift your pencil or write like this, again like this. This is the wrong method, or this is also the wrong method. Okay, without lifting your hand, without lifting your pencil, you all have to write how Miss is writing. Standing line, loop outside, out, up, make a curve D. Okay, starting from here, loop outside. Okay, see how Miss is tracing. This is cursive capital D. Now we will practice to write in 4-line page. So look carefully children. Starting from red line up, come down to the blue line, loop outside, again up red line, inside curve D. Again we'll write starting from up red line, come down to the blue line, make a loop outside, up, inside turn D. Again you see carefully children, starting from up this red line, come down to blue line, loop outside, up to the red line inside curve D. Again starting from red blue line, down blue line, turn, go up and D. And children, you all be careful, D should not go out of red line, this is wrong. Or first you do like this, then you do like this is also wrong. This is the wrong method. These both methods are wrong. You have to follow the first line how Miss has written. Cursive capital D, like this. Okay, this is the right method. Now children, you all have learnt to join two letters, correct? So now today we learn to join three letters. Okay, so be careful, without lifting your pencil you have to join three letters. Okay, so today we'll see to write L, S, P. Okay, L, S, P. L, without lifting your pencil, L, S, join P with L and S. Okay, L, S, P. Cursive small L, cursive small S, and cursive small P. Without lifting pen and hand you have to write. You all can write S, P, L. Okay, L, S, P, S, P, L. S, cursive small S, cursive small P, and cursive small L. See, Miss is writing without lifting pencil or hand. S, P, L. Okay, like this you have to practice three letters. So children, today we learnt to write cursive capital C and D and joining of three letters L, S, P and S, P, L. So you all do the homework of joining of three letters also in a neat and clean handwriting. Bye and have a good day.